Welcome to another edition of Machine TV. I'm Angelique, and today we are at F&H Machine Tools having a chat to Vaughn. Hello Vaughn, thank you for taking the time to talk to us today. F&H is one of the oldest machine tool companies in South Africa. Can you please tell us where F&H come from and where you see the company going forward in the future?
Hi Angelique, with pleasure. It's a very, very old company. It's been in existence in one form or another for in excess of 60 years. Started in the 1950s by one of the old doyens of the machine tool industry. In the form of F&H, it was formulated in 1999, where we joined forces with a company called Hallmark Machine Tools, who had a very strong presence in the CNC industry. We nowadays specialize more in the sort of high-end equipment, Takisawa, Quasar, Okuma, the whole 600 manufacturing range, which include Bridgeport, the Alpha series, the old Colchesters, which we all grew up on, all the guys who do the apprenticeships. We don't target the cheap and nasty range of equipment. We do have a budget range which we can offer the clients, but we prefer to stick to the high-end equipment. We also do a range of sheet metal equipment. We represent a company from Turkey called Ermixon. They do lasers, press brakes, guillotines. We also represent a range of other sheet metal equipment, metal forming, and plate rolls.
Vaughn, tell us a little bit more about your sales team.
Angelique, we've got 4 guys here. I think the combined experience is in the region of 100 years between the 4 of us, ranging from the very basic conventional equipment right through to the most high-end multitasking equipment we've got. So, look, the guys are very, very good. They're very experienced. The application side of things are very, very good.
Vaughn, can you tell us a little bit more about your service department and the maintenance department in order to look after all of your equipment?
Yes, Angelique, we've got 5 guys, all of them factory trained in one discipline or the other. Guys have had factory training at Okuma, Takisawa, Quasar, at all the 600 manufacturing brands like Harrison, Alpha, the Bridgeports. We do keep a large range of spare parts. We've got 2 guys that specifically look after the stock levels on the spares, and we've got a lady that looks after incoming calls. She allocates the breakdowns to the technicians with a little bit of input from our service manager. So we've got a good team here.
Vaughn, I see that you have got quite an interesting showroom here. Is it possible for customers to come around and have a look and take it from there?
Absolutely. We've got applications guys in-house that can do the programming. We can take a drawing that you've got. We can run it on any of our machines in the showroom. They're all under power. Literally within minutes we can start the machine up and cut for you. We've got software packages in-house that we can help you with, and of course we've got the technicians that can set up and get the machines running in a big hurry. It's not a big issue. We look forward to clients coming to see us, and you can see the facilities are very, very nice.
And tell me, if customers would like to get hold of you, how can they do that?
They can go to our website, F&H Machine Tools. You can do a search under one of our brands, it'll come up, or you can contact us on 011-397-4050.
And tell me, if there's a customer in Cape Town that would like to order one of your machines, is that possible? How does the maintenance work on it?
Every sales guy is allocated an area geographically. So there's a person that's specifically responsible, say for example Cape Town. He looks after that area. The client will get in touch with us, or we know most of them already. So from a service point of view, we're an hour and a half away. Cape Town, we're 2 hours away. It's not a big issue. So we look after the machines. We're based in Joburg. We do have subcontractors countrywide that can help us.
Which of your machines are the oldest and been around the longest of times?
We've been agents for a couple of these brands for a very, very long time. We've got catalogs here from the 1960s where we still agents from then back, but I would say the more modern brand would probably be Okuma. We've been agents with them for around about 30 years. We've got clients who've got machines, some of the very, very first machines that were bought into the country by Forest and are still using them. Maybe we should go and speak to one of them, and I'm sure he'll give us a time of day to have a look. Be interesting.